I did 160 of these field agent gigs last month, and this Publix one was one of the easiest. I'm just going to walk in, take a couple pictures, walk out, and get paid. Let me show you how it works. Now I'm walking into the store. Keep in mind, you're going to be doing a lot of steps. You have to walk from the parking lot into the store and back, but I still think it's worth it. And this whole gig took me about 4 minutes from parking my car to getting back in. This one was for dairy products, non-dairy milk, yogurt, stuff like that. I chose this one because it's a perfect example, because in the yogurt section, there was actually an employee stocking out the yogurt. So I used one of my creative techniques, which is to pretend I'm on a FaceTime with my mom. So I'm just going to be talking to my mom saying, oh, they have this one, they have that one. And this works 100% of the times I've done it when there's an employee nearby. Never say that you're just taking pictures of the shelf or you're trying to make money or you're doing this mystery shop for this app. Then they may ask you to leave or have you wait for the manager. But if you say that you're on a FaceTime, or if you say you're doing an Instacart order or something of that nature, they just think it's fine, and a lot of customers do that.
Mom wants provolone.
Mom, they have the Icos. I'm not sure. Here, I'll show you on FaceTime. Oh, sorry, my mom wants to see the shelf.
So the guy didn't get the hint, so I just had to politely ask him that I needed to take a picture of the shelf for my mom, and he was fine with it.
This part.
He's still standing in my way, but I got the other picture. Now I'm moving right along. Keep in mind, if you do these gigs when the store is busy, there's going to be people in your way, so it could
They
get
have
annoying,
Greek.
but it still didn't take me that long to do this gig. The next question is going to be for creamer. So everything was in one area in the dairy section, so I found the creamer. I got those 2 pictures of the creamer, and then the next question is going to be the non-dairy milk. So there was another fridge on the other side that had the almond milk, soy milk, and I like almond milk, so I know exactly where it is, especially at this Publix. So I got this picture. When you're doing something that's in a fridge or a freezer, they want you to open the door so there's no glare. So just open the door. A lot of them stay open on their own, or sometimes you even have to use your foot to keep it open and take the picture. But make sure you open the door because they get denied if there was some glare. And now the last question, a lot of times these gigs will drop and you'll do a bunch of them and then they'll add like a random thing. So this one would have been done, but they added baby food, which has nothing to do with dairy. So I had to go to a different section. This was especially annoying doing the same gig at Walmart or Sam's Club because you had to like walk really far away. Otherwise it would have all been in the dairy section, but still was super easy, kind of on the way out of the store. So they had like the applesauce and the stuff for babies in this section here. It was just a couple of pictures, so I went to the end. Remember, you're going left to right, so you get a picture from the left, 4-foot section, and then you get another picture, and then you keep going until that section's done. That was the last question for the gig, and then they're going to ask you for a freestanding display, so you just take a picture of any display as you're walking out, and that's it. $3 doesn't sound like a lot of money, but it really starts to add up when you do 20 to 30 of them in a day, or you do 160 in a month like I have. And also multi-apping and combining it with other apps like Mobi and delivery apps. So check out this video where I show you all the gig apps that I use to make a full-time living.